Welcome everyone. In today's video, basically, we're going to prepare some chicken stew. So the first thing we're going to do is to clean our chicken, chop and then wash it. Now we're going to pour our cooking oil in a saucepan, leave it to heat a bit, then we put our onions, then we fry. So if it is your first time coming across my videos, you're most welcome. This is me, Vicky. I'll appreciate when you stick up to the end of this video so that you learn how I prepare my chicken stew. So now that I've fried my onions, what I'm going to do next is to put my chicken into the mixture of the onions and the cooking oil. So there's some ingredients that I'll be using like raiko, chili, and tomato paste. So these are the ingredients that I'll be using. So I don't know what kind of ingredients do you use for you while you prepare, your chicken stew. You can need to drop in the comment section by telling me how you prepare your chicken stew, by telling me your recipe so that next time I'll also try it. You can also drop a comment by telling me where you're watching from, so that I'll personally thank you for watching, for sticking to my videos and supporting me. You can also subscribe. Subscribing to my channel is free actually. You can subscribe. That is a way of saying thank you or telling me that I appreciate what you're doing. So you can subscribe. So now I see I added my raiko, my spices that I have, the little that I have in my kitchen. So you might be having a lot of spices depending on the ones you prefer. You can also drop and tell me which kind of spices do you prefer to use while preparing your chicken stew. So after when you're done putting all your spices, the salt, raiko, chili, tomato paste or tomato, from there what we're going to do next is to leave our chicken to cook. So we leave it to cook for some time. When it's ready, you put it down. So now that I've added everything, I'm putting some water to leave it to boil. Then from there, we are good to go. When it's ready, we enjoy our meal. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that any vital video that I drop on my channel about cooking, about everything, you'll just be the first person to be notified. So keep liking, keep sharing with your loved ones so that they will also learn a thing or two from my channel. Bye bye. See you next time.